Here we are at Supreme Detail Supply. Today we're talking about our Surface Clean product. This is a solution you're going to want to use prior to any clear bra, any coating, any sealants, waxes, etc. In order to have a super clean and bare surface so that the protection is actually bonding to the paint. So as you can see, this has a little bit of runoff from a soap solution from the window tint. All of this needs to get cleaned off. Now there's different ways to do it. We like our Surface Clean because we know that afterwards it's going to be completely bare and completely clean. All right, so as you can see here, this has a bunch of runoff from having the windows tinted, and we are about to coat this panel. Prior to coating, we need to get rid of all of this grime. So what you're going to do is take your Surface Clean and a towel, spritz the panel, and simply wipe away basically the soap residue. What you're doing here is creating a smoother surface, a more bare surface, in order to allow the coating a stronger bond. All right, so now that we've demonstrated in this section, we need to do the rest of the car, so let's go ahead and get to it. Now that the entire car is prepped with our Surface Clean, it is now ready for our protection application. For more information, head over to the website, supremedetailsupply.com, and also check us out on social media on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram at Supreme Detail Supply.